cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today I am reviewing Spectral palette from Aden Cosmetics. As always, my first step is to apply primer potion from Urban Decay in order to make sure that I will have a very well primed lid and I will be very fair to the eyeshadows. Is it the first time that I'm using this palette? No, absolutely not. But I decided, since this palette is not new in the market, to try it for a little bit in order to be able to give you a better opinion, a better structured opinion. I'd like to be able to give you some extra answers like how long do the eyeshadows last and if I have tried all the colors and what do I feel and stuff like that. So I would like to make sure that whatever I will tell you, it's not gonna be a first opinion and something that I'm not very sure, that I haven't tried with many different eyeshadow bases, because yes, you see this eyeshadow base now, but I have a lot more. So when something is not working with this, definitely I try it with different eyeshadow bases because I want to be as fair as possible with my products. Anyway, I feel that my base is ready. So today's idea is to create a different cut crease, and I'm not gonna spoil anything right now, you will see. Before I start with the palette, I'm gonna take this eyeliner. This is from Viva La Diva in the shade 11 Silver. Like, this is a bad eye pencil, I don't like it, but since I'm not planning to keep it on my eye, just use it as a guideline, I feel that for this makeup it's okay, but in general I don't recommend you to buy it. So I will create my cut crease line in order to know where to go with my whole makeup, so this is why I need it. After all these steps, I'm ready to dive into my palette. Also, another thing that I kept for you guys is the plastic from the mirror. So I didn't remove it just by myself because I want to share this experience with you because I know how much you like it. So now I'm gonna bring it close to the microphone and let's do it together. The first shade that I'm planning to use is Abstract. This is a very nice blue to purple duochrome, and I will place it right here, like at the inner part of the bottom part of my cut crease. Was I clear? I don't know, but you will see it right away. Oh my god, I mean, look at it, it's so beautiful already. Like, the blue is shimmery, it's duochrome, it has a very beautiful purple shift. What else can I ask for? This is so amazing, and I know how it's working, but every time I'm that excited because I love it. Then I'm gonna go to the shade Unknown, this pink right here. It's not very cold, it's not very warm, it's right in the middle. I have used it for a lot more makeup looks. I know what to expect from this. You will see it on my eye, it's absolutely stunning, it's so beautiful. So I'm gonna take the same type of brush. This is from Beauty Bay BB207, and with this I'm gonna finish the bottom part of my cut crease right here. Isn't it like a cloudy cotton candy? I mean, I love it, it's so cool, and I love the blending between the blue and the pink. Although that the blue is shimmery and the pink is matte, they blended like a dream. I loved it. Now I'm gonna take the silver from the palette. This one right here, it's called Illusion, and with this I'm gonna do this part, which is my inner corner, on both eyes. Okay, now I'm ready to do the top part of my cut crease, and I'm gonna start with the shade Phantom. It's a very nice, in Greek we say it Veraman. I don't know, is it a thing? Anyway, green is something. Okay, I hope I was clear enough for you. I know that I was not, but anyway, let's get over it. I'm gonna take this shadow and I will apply it here at the inner part of the top part of my cut crease. As a last color to this colorful eye look, I'm planning to take this pastel purple. Its name is Airy. Is it called Airy? I don't know, maybe it might be Eerie. It starts with double E, so my Greek mind reads this as Airy. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. If I'm wrong, please write down in the comments. I don't know. I love this eyeshadow. I'm using it quite often and I always read it as airy. Anyway, I'm gonna take the shade brush that I used before. This is from Morphe M124, a clean version of it. And I will go to the empty part right here and I will fill it with airy. By the way, I haven't finished with my eye look, like even after I apply airy, I haven't finished with my eye look, so please stay here because I'm planning to add some details, some extra stuff, and then I will tell you my review about the palette. So if you think that we are about to finish, no, it's not the case. Now for the bottom part of my eye, I'm gonna use two pencils. First of all, from Glam Shop, this one right here, it has a Polish name, you know this by now. I will not try to read this name, but I will read this name. The other one is from NYX Professional Makeup in the name Baby Blue. I'm gonna combine these two at my waterline and then I'm gonna grab the palette again, right here, and I will combine again Airy with Phantom. Are we leaving the eye look like this? Definitely not! So I'm dying to do some extra stuff because, you know, in this channel we don't do just common makeup. Not that common makeup is wrong or I don't like it, but I don't know, I feel that when I'm doing the YouTube videos I have my creative time and my creativity is expressed via colors, so I would like to have as many colors, as many textures, as many gems or rhinestones or stuff like that, because this actually makes me so happy. But if you don't know this means that you are new here, so welcome! My name is Antigoni. I love doing makeup, and if you don't want to miss any of the future videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a big like to encourage me to do more and more. Also, I have an Instagram page. My Instagram is Catlady Antigoni, down here. There you can find photos of all the looks that I have created, some sneak peeks where what I'm doing in my life, where I'm going every day and stuff like that, so don't forget to follow me there as well. Now, back to relevancy. I'm going to use again a product from Aden Cosmetics. This is called Interstellar and it's a very beautiful duochrome eyeshadow in liquid form, so basically it is a multi-product. In my mind, it is an eyeshadow, it is a highlighter, it is a lot of things, even topper for lips. So I'm taking this, I'm shaping again my cut crease and you will see the duochrome effect. As you can see, not only I have applied eyelashes, but also I finished with my face makeup. So let me tell you what I have done. First of all, I started everything with NYX Professional Makeup and the Marshmallow Primer. Then I used the foundation from Aden Cosmetics Essence of Nature in the shade 772. Then I continued with blush, and actually this time I used a combination. First of all, I used from Colourpop Cheek Dew in the shade Cherish You, and then I used this one right here. This is from Glossier, the Cloud Paint in the shade Puff. I don't know if you can find this nowadays because last time I checked it was sold out. I don't know, if you're lucky you might find it, they might have a restock, but I cannot promise you anything. Then I had some concealer, this one right here, this is from Aden Cosmetics in the shade, it doesn't say, it is from Aden Cosmetics. And I fixed my eyebrows with e.l.f. Brow and Lash Mascara. This is a clear mascara, but I used to dye my eyebrows different colors, that's why it's not very clear nowadays, but it's working exactly the same. What else? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention about the powder that I have under my eyes. So I have from Hourglass the powder Veil and it's about to finish. So a review for this powder is coming very soon. What else? I don't think that I have anything else because now I'm ready to apply my highlighter. So today we are reviewing something, a palette from Aden Cosmetics, and I decided why not. I would like to use Interstellar as a highlighter base. So the idea here is to take a tiny amount and work it around here, which is the higher spot of my face. It is so beautiful. Look at the duochrome shift that I have on my face. I mean, it's amazing, right? Isn't it? Isn't it? And it fits awesomely with the line that I have here in order to define my crease, because it's the same product, so that's why I used it. That was another reason actually. And I feel that these two are so perfect as a combination, but I haven't finished yet with my highlighters. Now I'm gonna take from Aden the highlighter Norns, which is a very nice bluish highlighter, because I want to give a more intense shine to my face. I'm gonna take from Aden their brush. This is not a very big brush because I would like to be very precise with what I'm doing here, and I'm applying exactly where I applied the liquid highlighter. Time to become a little more extra. So, I am extra already, but you probably know that it's never enough for me. So that's why I decided to use two different types of gems. Both are from Shein, if you're wondering, and the first type is these ones right here. These are more like water drops, and the other ones, these blue gems, are more like rhinestones. So, I'm gonna take a combination of these two. I'm gonna start by applying them here, which is the top part of my cut crease, and then I will continue to my forehead a little bit. As you can see, in the end, I decided not to use the blue at all because these gave me a watery sense, and you know how much I love water, you know this by now. So I decided to keep it like drops, raindrops, water drops, something like that, and I feel very beautiful in this. What's your opinion? Write down in the comments, please. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. Actually, these drops made me so happy, and that's why I decided to tell you the Greek word for drops. So in Greek we say stagones. Say it with me. Stagones. This is in plural, but if you're interested about the singular, in singular is stagona. So, as always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using either the word stagona or stagones, or tell me this word in your own native language. Time to do the lips. So for today, I decided to go with a pinky-ish lip because I want to match the eyes, but then I thought like one color might not be enough, so that's why I decided to start with a lip pencil. This one is from MUA in the shade Romance, and then on the top I'm gonna apply a duochrome pigment, this one right here. This is from Gloss Gods, another Swedish indie brand, and its name is Rainbow Bridge. Now on the top of this I'm gonna apply a lip gloss, this one specifically. This is from a Greek indie brand, it's called Glossy, and it's in the shade Bale. So this is my finished look. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. And right now I'm going to move on with the review of the palette. Obviously here we have an amazing palette. I mean, from the quality to the color story is amazing. You can create a lot of candy looks like this one right here. Look, to me this is still a candy look. Okay. Anyway, so we have this amazing pink, we can see it on action right here. We have this color, which is truly beautiful. I don't see it in many palettes these days, and I feel that I kinda miss it. Also, this silver is beautiful, and I don't know, I have told you a lot of times about this issue that I have noticed. Like, I feel that a lot of makeup brands avoid adding silver or grey eyeshadows to their palettes, and I feel that we have a big lack of grey / silver / matte metallics when it comes to the grey spectrum. So I feel so happy that I can find a metallic grey in my palette. So this makes the palette so unique. I love that this color scheme is so inspiring to me because you don't only have the candy colors, you have something darker and deeper here, and you can even go by combining this with this and that and create a night look. So actually it's a very versatile palette. Yes, I think it's kind of companion palette, but to me it can stand by itself. Of course, not necessarily for the most conventional looks, but LH Cosmetics as a brand has a lot of palettes for conventional looks, so I feel that this palette is the something new that they're bringing to the market. When it comes to the duration of the eyeshadows, I'm also very happy. They are lasting forever. They are amazing. Like, I don't think that I have any product from LH Cosmetics and I feel like, yeah, this is a not very good product. Everything from LH is very good quality. I'm so happy. So, if you're thinking to buy this palette, yeah, this is Antigoni approved. Hey! Also, don't forget to check their Swedish webpage because obviously LH Cosmetics is a Swedish brand. This is owned by Linda Hallberg, which is a Swedish influencer and a great makeup artist, I would say. So their webpage, they have some offers, some discounts, so check it as frequently as possible because I think I got this palette for around 20 euros when the normal price is around 60 euros. So yeah, check it as soon as you can. And that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that I gave you some ideas and inspiration with this makeup. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to find me on Instagram. See you on Friday with a body paint look. And until then, bye bye!